If Gamma app is not loading properly in Chrome, or you're seeing a Chrome error when trying to use Gamma, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. We're going to go through a hard reload, test Gamma in Incognito mode, and disable extensions that may be blocking the app. These steps are simple, safe, and very effective for fixing most browser-related issues. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and let's get started. First, try performing a hard reload. This forces Chrome to ignore cached files and reload the page fresh from the server. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command Shift and R. After you do that, wait a moment and see if Gamma loads correctly. In many cases, a stale cache is the reason the app shows errors, freezes, or doesn't display properly. If the issue is still there, the next step is to open Gamma in an incognito window. This helps you test whether the problem is being caused by browser extensions, stored cookies, or cached browsing data. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new incognito window. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Then go to Gamma and sign in again. If Gamma works fine in incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser setup is interfering with the app. That brings us to the third fix, which is disabling extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, tracker blockers, or privacy tools can often stop Gamma's AI scripts from loading correctly. To test this, go to Chrome's extensions menu and temporarily turn off anything that might be blocking content. If you want to be extra careful, disable them one by one so you can identify which extension is causing the issue. After turning them off, reload Gamma again and check if the problem is gone. If Gamma starts working normally, you found the cause. At that point, you can leave that extension disabled for Gamma or create an exception so the site can run properly. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix a Gamma app Chrome error are hard reload the page, try Gamma in incognito mode, and disable any extensions that could be blocking it. These three steps solve a lot of common browser issues without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for apps like Gamma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.